Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show an image preview when you hover on tab Firefox browser. So how to show an image preview when you hover on tab Firefox browser. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the Settings menu here. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the General menu. Now here you are in the General menu. Scroll down to find the Tabs menu. Now next. Tap Show an image preview when you hover on tab. This feature displays a preview of the page image when the cursor is directed to a tab in Firefox on Windows 10, making it easier for users to recognize the contents of the tab. So that's it, the tutorial how to show an image preview when you hover on tab Firefox browser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.